For a 3D display, we're going to need a camera that can track in 3D. We're going to use the Kinect Azure camera. This camera not only takes video data, but it uses LiDAR to get depth data as well. We can then combine these two sources of data and get a 3D point cloud with color information. So how do we take this data and turn it into something that can drive our LED curtains? Inside Touch Designer, we can use a process called depth peeling to separate our point cloud into smaller layers. We take a virtual camera using an orthographic viewpoint pointed at our point cloud. This makes sure we get a good view of our points without any lens distortion. Using the depth peel, we then sample 20 equally sized segments of our data. This data is then output into 20 separate video layers we can use later in the process. You can see here as I step closer to the camera, it will step through the different layers. We're going to take our 20 layers and combine them into a single grid. Pixel mapping inside Touch Designer is relatively straightforward. Basically, you take a spline with the same number of points and in the same order as your pixels and project it onto your image source. This then gives you RGB values for each of these points.